d by dx of u into v will be is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Integral of sine 3x is what? Minus cos 3x divided by 3, because coefficient of x we need to divide in case of the integration. So according to this order only, you need to select the function when they have given integral of two functions. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In the last session, we have learnt many problems on partial fraction and when finished out exercise 7.5. And in today's session, dear students, here we are having session number 14 called Integrals, which is our chapter number 7 in your NCERT. Then, what are the topics under this session we are going to study? It is nothing but we are going to have integration by parts. Okay? So, and then we are going to solve here the exercise 7.6 dear students of your NCERT textbook. Now, we'll be moving on to what you mean by integral by parts. Now, here I have taken if u and v are any two differentiable function of a single variable x, then by the product rule of the differentiation, we have d by dx of u into v will be is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Isn't it so? Now here I am going to take it as let u is equal to f of x and v is equals to g of x. And then I am going to do integral by parts, which is going to be have here. See, integral by parts is given by the formula integral of f of x into g of x into dx will be is equal to, because ulta process of differentiation is nothing but the integration. Here we have taken the differentiation of the product rule. Here we are going to do the product rule of the integration, which is nothing but f of x into integral of g of x, that means first function into integral of second function. If I am going to consider first function as f of x and second function of g of x, like that it will move, and then minus integral of f dash of x. F dash of x means what? Differentiation of first function. So, differentiation of first function, okay? First function, and then into integral of g of x, that means integration of second function, okay? So, integration of second function. So, what I am going to consider here? The first function is nothing but the f of x and the second function is nothing but g of x. So, therefore, the integral by parts will go by the formula like this, where here u is equal to f of x and v is equal to g of x. You can write it in the form of u and v also, which is given by the form. See, the integral of the product of the two function, that means what I have defined now in the formula, I have written in the form of a sentence. So, the integral of product of the two function is equal to first function, as I told you, first function, if I am going to name it as u, okay, into the integral of second function, which is nothing but v, if I am going to see, integral of u into v is given by, which is nothing but, see, first function into integral of second function, okay, integral of second function, and then you are going to have where u and v are nothing but the first function of f of x, which and second function g of x, and then minus integral of d by dx of, that is differentiation of a coefficient of the first function. So, therefore, here you are going to have differentiation of coefficient of the first function d by dx of u into integral of second function, that is nothing but v into dx, okay? And one more dx is there, which is for this function. And are you getting this one? So, this is going to be known as what? A integral by parts. I hope you understood this one. Now, without any delay, by this integral formula or by this integration by parts, we'll be moving on to solving a problem. Before solving the problem, let me introduce the rule for solving the problem. You have to follow the rule here called iLearn rule. What it is called? iLearn rule. Here, iLearn means inverse trigonometry, logarithmic, A means algebraic, T means trigonometric and E means exponential. Where when they have given a 2 function, you are going to take accordingly as a first function as inverse trigonometry. Inverse trigonometry will go like this: sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, secant inverse x, cosecant inverse x, cot inverse x. All this going to be known as the inverse trigonometry. And then you are going to have a logarithmic. Logarithmic means log x squared, etc. And then you are going to have after logarithmic, which is called algebraic. Algebraic means the equation, it is in the form of x power n. Okay, that is called algebraic, which is x squared, x cube, x power 5, anything it can be. And then trigonometry. Trigonometric means sin x, cos x, tan x, cosecant x, secant x, cot x. These are all going to be known as trigonometric functions. And then exponential. Exponential is e power x, a power x, all that going to be known as the exponential function. So according to this order only, you need to select the function when they have given integral of a 2 function. Understood? Now, without any delay, following this formula and also this method, we'll be moving on to now solving the problems. Now here they have given integrate the functions. What they have given? X into sin x. Now let me write symbolically this integrate. Now first what you need to select according to the iLearn rule. See here, iLearn rule. Correct? So iLearn rule, what you need to select? First, you do not have your inverse trigonometry, you do not have a logarithmic, you are having algebraic. Algebraic here, x power 1. Therefore, first function, I am writing it as x, and then you need to go for trigonometric function, which is sin x. So, x into sin x, integral of this one. So, let me write the formula first. What is the formula? Integral of f of x into g of x into dx is given by first function into integral of second function minus integral of d by dx of first function into integral of second function into dx, isn't it? Now accordingly let me move, which implies integral of first function is x, second function is sin x into dx, which will be implying that f of x is nothing but what? Here we are having x into integral of sin x into dx minus integral of d by dx of what? It is nothing but x into integral of g of x is nothing but what? Sin x into dx into dx. See, this dx for this integral and this dx for this integral. I hope you got that one. Now here we'll be having what? X into, what happens to this function? Let me write it here, which implies x into, see, integral of sin x is nothing but what? It will be minus cos x, isn't it? So therefore minus cos x, again minus integral of d by dx of x. Differentiation of x is 1. So 1 into integral of sin x. Integral of sin x is minus cos x. So minus cos x into dx. Now again integrating this, you are going to get x into cos x. We can write it as, because minus cos x into x is there, and then see, minus into minus plus integral of cos x. You know integral of cos x is nothing but sin x. So sin x plus c, that's it. And this is your final answer, dear students. I hope you understood these steps, isn't it? Just you have to remember the rule and you have to remember the formula to solve the problem integral by parts. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem, dear. What they've asked, integrate x into sine 3x. Now let me write it as according to the iLearn rule. What I need to do? iLearn is nothing but here first is algebraic only, which is x, and trigonometric, which is sine 3x. So let me write this symbolically, integral of x into sine 3x into dx. Now you can have the formula integral of f of x into g of x into dx is equal to first function into integral of second function minus integral of d by dx of first function into integral of second function into dx. Now here you can have, see your first function. Let me take first function is nothing but x and second function is nothing but sine 3x. Algebraic, trigonometric. So x into sine 3x into dx, which implies x into integral of sine 3x into dx minus integral of d by dx of x into integral of g of x is sine 3x into dx into dx. Now here further simplification, x into integral of sine 3x is what? Minus cos 3x divided by 3, because coefficient of x we need to divide in case of the integration. In case of differentiation we are going to multiply, isn't it? So here x into minus cos 3x divided by 3 minus integral of d by dx of x is 1 into integral of sine 3x is nothing but minus cos 3x divided by 3 into dx. Further simplification, it will be giving you the answer which implies, see, minus into plus is nothing but minus x into cos 3x divided by 3. Again, see, minus into minus, which is plus. See, integral 1 by 3 is a constant, we can remove outside. Integral of cos 3x is nothing but what? Sine 3x divided by 3. So here sine 3x divided by 3 plus c, and this is your final answer, dear students. Is that easier to follow the problem by the formula? Right. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem, dear. What they've asked: integrate x squared into e power x. Now here first let me write the iLearn rule. So x squared is nothing but, here you are having algebraic, and e power x is nothing but what? Exponential. So first you need to select the algebraic, then move on to exponential. So therefore let me write this symbolically: x squared into e power x. This is the first function, second function, into dx. So let me write down the formula: integral of f of x into g of x into dx, which implies first function into integral of second function minus integral of d by dx of first function, that is f of x, isn't it, into integral of second function, that is g of x into dx. Let me write this by having the problem, that is x squared into e power x into dx, which implies x squared into integral of e power x into dx minus integral of d by dx of x squared into integral of e power x into dx, isn't it? Now we can further simplify this one by integrating x squared. E power x integration is what? E power x only. So e power x minus integral of d by dx of x squared is what? Differentiation of x squared is 2x. So 2x into integral of e power x is e power x into dx. I hope you got this step, isn't it? Now again you can take 2 outside common. Now again this is in the form of the algebraic and then a exponential. So first function is the algebraic you are selecting, and second function is nothing but the exponential you are going to select it as. So let me write according to the formula, which implies that, see, you are getting x squared into e power x minus, see, first function is nothing but 2x, anyway it is a constant. So 2x you are going to have first function, that is multiply by minus sign, so open the bracket. So first function into integral of second function minus you are having integral of d by dx of first function, that is 2x, isn't it? 2 will be coming outside, right? 2 into d by dx of x, again into integral of second function into dx. Now what happens to this? Which will be implies that x squared into e power x into minus, see, 2x into integral of e power x is e power x only minus integral of 2 into d by dx of x is nothing but 1 Integral of e power x is e power x into dx, isn't it? And further simplification, 2 into 1 is 2. 2 can be removed outside. Close the bracket because you are having minus sign multiplication, which implies the answer you are going to get for this one is x squared into e power x. See, minus 2x into e power x. See, minus into minus 2. Be careful, minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. 2 into e power x integration is e power x plus c. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it as dear students. I hope you understood these steps. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem here. What they've asked. Integral of x into log x. Now let me take iLearn rule. So iLearn rule here, x is nothing but the algebraic, log x is nothing but the logarithmic. So first which one? Logarithmic. So therefore, I am going to write accordingly. First function is log x into second function is x. Therefore, according to the formula, so here let me remember the formula. So you are going to have, which implies first function into integral of second function, isn't it? Minus integral of d by dx of first function into integral of second function into dx. Now here you can further simplify log x into integral of x is nothing but what? X squared divided by 2 minus integral of d by dx of log x is nothing but 1 by x into integral of x is nothing but x squared divided by 2 into dx. Now further simplification here, x and x will go. Now remaining is x by 2. 1 by 2 you can take outside. So log x into x square divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 you can take outside. Remaining is nothing but x into dx. Now again integrating that, log x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 2. Integral of x is nothing but x square divided by 2 plus c. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it as. Now if you want, you can multiply here log x into x square divided by 2, x square divided by 4 plus c. I hope you understood this step. Without writing the formula, by remembering the formula steps, we have got the answer. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem here. What they have given? X into log 2x. Now let me write like iLearn rule. Here also you can say find out that x is nothing but the algebraic and log 2x is nothing but the logarithmic. So first you need to select logarithmic as according to the iLearn rule. So therefore let me write accordingly log 2x into x. So here first function, this is second function into dx, which implies first function into integral of second function minus integral of d by dx of first function, that is log 2x into integral of second function, which is x dx into dx. So again further simplification, log 2x into integral of x is nothing but x squared divided by 2 minus integral of d by dx of log 2x. You know d by dx of log x is 1 by x. So according to considering this as log theta 1 by theta. Theta is nothing but 2x. Again differentiation of 2x, which is nothing but into 2. Again integral of x is nothing but x squared divided by 2. I hope you are getting this one, into dx. I hope log theta is 1 by theta. Again theta differentiation is 2x, differentiation is 2. Understood? Again integral of x is nothing but what? X square divided by 2. That's it. Now here you can cancel this 2 and this 2, and 1 by 2 will be and x will be getting cancelled. So remaining is log x into x squared divided by 2 minus c 1 by 2 you can remove outside into integral of x into dx. So which happens further log 2x, isn't it? Here log 2x into x squared divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 into integral of x is x squared divided by 2 plus c. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it as dear students. I hope you understood this one also. So we'll be moving on to the next one. What they've asked. integrate x squared into log x. According to the iLearn rule, logarithmic, which is log x, is first function and algebraic x squared is the second function. Now let me write accordingly. See, log x into x squared. Now this as first function and this as second function into dx, which happens log x first function into integral of second function minus integral of d by dx of first function into integral of second function into dx, right? Now here again further log x into integral of x squared is nothing but what? X cube divided by 3, x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus integral of d by dx of log x is 1 by x, integral of x squared is x cube divided by 3 into dx. Now here one term of x cube will get cancelled and remaining is, let me write it here, log x into x cube divided by 3 minus here integral of 1 by 3 will be constant taken outside, so x squared into dx. Now further simplification, it will be giving you log x into x cube divided by 3 minus 1 by 3 into integral of x squared is x cube divided by 3 plus c. So otherwise you can write this one as log x into x cube divided by 3 again minus x cube divided by c, 3 into 3 is nothing but what? 9 plus c, and this is your final answer. You are going to get it as for this question. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem, dear. Here let me integrate the next function what they have given, integral of x into sine inverse of x. Dear students, here if you take it as sine inverse of x integration, it is 1 divided by root of 1 minus x squared. It is very complicated when it comes to the integral part. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the substitution method here. So what is the substitution? I'm taking it as, let sine x is equals to theta. I am going to take it as, that is theta is equal to sine inverse x. Okay. So here let theta is equal to sine inverse x. So which implies that you can have x will be is equal to sine theta. So if x is equals to sine theta, then what happens to the integral? So integral of x into sine inverse x into dx will become, see, if you differentiate this with respect to x, what happens? Dx will be is equal to differentiation of sine theta is cos theta into d theta. I hope you are getting this one. Now again, integrating here, see, substituting sine inverse x is nothing but theta, x is nothing but sine theta. So therefore, you can have x is now theta and sine theta. Again, dx is nothing but cos theta into d theta. Correct? So here this dx I am substituting as cos theta into d theta, x I am substituting as which is sine theta, and sine inverse x I am substituting as theta. Now here you can divide and multiply by 2. Why? Because 2 sine theta into cos theta is sine 2 theta. So I am going to divide it by 2 and I am going to multiply by 2. So what happens to this condition? Which will happen 1 by 2 into theta will remain as it is. 2 sine theta into cos theta will become sine 2 theta. Now this is easier for you to integrate now. Now which is the first function according to the iLearn rule? Here in place of x, theta is there. In place of x is means sine 2x means sine 2 theta. That's it. Therefore, first you are going to select the algebraic function. Next you are going to select the trigonometric function, isn't it? According to the iLearn rule. Now here first function is theta and second function is sine 2 theta. Therefore, let me integrate accordingly what happens, which implies that 1 by 2 into first function into integral of second function sine 2 theta again minus integral of d by d theta of first function. Why? Because you are going to have in place of x theta into integral of second function d theta into d theta. I hope you are understanding this. Now here half into theta. Integral of sine 2 theta is what? Minus cos 2 theta. Minus cos 2 theta divided by 2, coefficient of theta. Again minus integral of d by d theta of theta is 1. So 1 into integral of sine 2 theta is minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 into d theta. Right? Now again further simplification. See 1 by 2 into 2 is 1 by 4. Minus into plus is minus. So minus theta into cos 2 theta. Minus into minus is plus. So integral of cos 2 theta. Now again 1 by 2 is there. I can remove outside into d theta. I hope you are understanding this step. Now 1 by 4 into minus theta into cos 2 theta. Again see plus 1 by 2 into cos 2 theta integration is nothing but sine 2 theta divided by 2. Right? Plus c. Now again substituting back to theta, what you are going to get it as? You are going to get it as see 1 by 4 into minus, what is that? Theta into cos 2 theta. Dear students, I am removing 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 throughout I am removing the outside as a constant. So therefore plus you are having, what is that? Sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta plus c. Now substituting back theta, you are going to get it as sine 2 theta can be written as what? 1 by 4 into minus theta into cos 2 theta. Sine 2 theta can be written as plus 2 sine theta into cos theta plus c. Right? Now again you can substitute theta is nothing but sine inverse x. So here sine of sine inverse of and cos of cos inverse x, but cos theta can be written as in place of sine theta what? See here, cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. So cos squared theta can be written as 1 minus sine squared theta, isn't it? Otherwise cos theta can be written as under the root 1 minus sine squared theta. Right? Here see, in place of cos theta, I can write it as cos theta is equal to under the root 1 minus sine squared theta. Why I am substituting cos theta as sine theta? Because I know theta is equal to sine inverse x. So that, okay. Now again, cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta in terms of sine, what I can write? Cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. This is one of the form of the cos 2 theta form. There are 4 forms. Under that, one form I am taking. Now this will become 1 by 4 into minus theta. As it is, I am writing cos 2 theta as 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, okay, plus 2 sine theta into cos theta. In place of cos theta, I am writing under the root of 1 minus sine squared theta plus c. Now substituting back to, what is that? You are going to have sine theta is equal to x. Substituting that, you are going to get 1 by 4 into, see, minus sign if you multiply, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So this will have, see, theta is nothing but what? Sine inverse x. So sine inverse x minus sign I am multiplying inside, so it will become 2 sine theta. Sine theta is x, so sine squared theta will be x squared minus 1. Be careful here, multiplying minus sign, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Again plus 2 sine theta is nothing but x under the root of 1 minus x squared plus c. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it as dear students. I hope you understood this one, and this method is very easy, I found out, to solve the problems, especially when they have given a inverse trigonometric function. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem, what they have asked. Integrate x into tan inverse of x. Dears, you're having tan inverse of x. Integration is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x squared. And differentiation of that is very easier. So what I'm going to do, I'm directly integrate x into tan inverse of x. Dears, you're having tan inverse of x. Integration is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x squared. And differentiation of that is very easier. So what I'm going to do, I'm directly taking that one without substituting that. Why? Because last case I have done that. Because there was a sine inverse x which can be written as in terms of cos also, in terms of sine also. Here let me take as it is. So integral of x into tan inverse of x into dx. According to the iLearn rule, first you need to select the inverse trigonometric, which is nothing but first function as tan inverse x and second function as x. So accordingly, if we write first function, that is tan inverse of x, into integral of second function, minus integral of d by dx of first function, which is tan inverse of x, into integral of second function into dx. Now therefore, tan inverse of x, now integral of x is nothing but x square divided by 2 minus integral of d by dx of tan inverse of x is 1 plus x squared, isn't it? Into integral of x is nothing but x squared divided by 2 into dx. Now you can have here, which implies tan inverse of x into x square divided by 2. So for this I am going to do 1 by 2, I am going to take outside x squared. I am going to add 1 and subtract 1 because denominator you are having in the form of 1 plus x squared into dx. I hope you are getting this step. Now I am going to take it as tan inverse of x into x squared divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 into, see, x squared plus 1 divided by 1 plus x squared, both are same. Again minus 1 divided by 1 plus x squared. So this integration I am doing and then closing the bracket because 1 by 2 is outside. Now this will get cancelled, 1 it is remaining and separating the integral. So what happens to the function? Now you are having, which implies tan inverse of x into x squared divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 into, open the bracket, integral of 1 into dx minus integral of 1 by 1 plus x squared into dx. Now you know integral of 1 by 1 plus x squared is tan inverse x. So therefore, which implies tan inverse of x into x squared divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 into integral of 1 dx is x minus 1 by 2 into integral of 1 by 1 plus x squared, tan inverse x, right? Tan inverse x plus c. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it as ds. I hope you understood this one by direct method and taking the first function as tan inverse, second function as x there, and the algebraic. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem, x into cos inverse x. Now here, x into cos inverse x as like similar to the sin inverse x. So what I'm going to do here? Substituting. So let us substitute, let cos inverse of x is equal to theta. Otherwise, x will be is equal to cos theta. Differentiating this with respect to x, dx is equal to minus sin theta into d theta, right? So let me write the given problem symbolically, that is x into cos inverse of x into dx, which is nothing but x is nothing but cos theta. Again, cos inverse of x is nothing but theta and dx is nothing but minus sin theta into d theta. Okay, now you can multiply and divide by 2, which will become is equal to 1 by 2 into, with the negative sign, integral of theta into 2 sin theta into cos theta into d theta. Now which will happen minus 1 by 2 into integral of theta into sin 2 theta. Now which is the first function you are going to select? First function is theta and second function is sin 2 theta. Now integrating that, minus 1 by 2 will be outside. Now first function into integral of second function, that is sin 2 theta into d theta minus integral of d by d theta of first function into integral of second function into d theta into d theta. Now again further simplification, which will be giving you minus 1 by 2 into first function into integral of second function is nothing but what? You are going to get it as second function integral is cos 2 theta, that is minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 minus integral of d by d theta of theta is 1, sin 2 theta is minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 into d theta. Now further simplification, it will be giving you 1 by 2 into minus theta into cos 2 theta divided by 2, minus into minus is plus. Now 1 by 2 is outside, integral of cos 2 theta is what? It is sin 2 theta divided by 2 plus c, right? Now again you can remove here 1 by 2 outside, here 1 by 4 you are going to have. So which will be coming as 1 by 2 if you remove outside, which will be, which implies 1 by 4 into minus theta, cos 2 theta can be written as in terms of what? Cos only, 2 cos squared theta minus 1, 2 cos squared theta minus 1, again 1 by 2 already removed outside, remaining is plus C here 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by 2 plus C. Now 2 will get cancelled. So therefore you can have the answer will be is equal to 1 by 4 into minus theta. See, if you multiply minus sign inside, theta into 1 minus 2 cos squared theta plus sin theta can be written as under the root 1 minus cos squared theta into cos theta. Why I am writing cos theta? Because cos theta is nothing but x there. So therefore 1 by 4 into theta is nothing but cos inverse x, isn't it? We have taken. So again into 1 minus 2 x squared plus under the root 1 minus x squared into cos theta is nothing but x, and this is your final answer. You are going to get it as dear students. I hope you understood this step. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem dear. What they have asked, sine inverse x whole squared. Now let me substitute. Let x is equals to what? Let sine inverse of x is equals to theta, otherwise x is equal to sine theta. Differentiating this, dx will be is equal to cos theta into d theta. Now writing that sine inverse of x whole squared into dx, which will become integral of sine inverse x is nothing but theta squared, dx is nothing but cos theta into d theta. Now you can take it as first function as theta squared, second function is nothing but cos theta. So let me write accordingly, theta squared first function into integral of cos theta into d theta minus integral of d by d theta of theta squared into integral of cos theta into d theta into d theta. Again writing this one, so which implies theta squared cos theta integration is nothing but sin theta minus d theta of theta squared is 2 theta into integral of cos theta is sin theta into d theta. Now again choosing this one as a first function and this one as a second function. Now what happens? Theta squared into sin theta minus open the bracket first function into integral of second function into d theta minus integral of d by d theta of 2 theta into integral of sin theta into d theta into d theta. Close the bracket because you are going to have minus sign multiplication inside. Right. Now what happens to this again? Which implies theta squared into sin theta minus, you are going to get it as c 2 theta into sin theta, integration is minus cos theta, again minus integral of 2 theta is nothing but 2 can be taken outside, again sin theta integration is nothing but minus cos theta into d theta, right? Again you can multiply this one, which implies theta squared into sin theta. So minus into minus, which will become plus 2 theta into cos theta, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, 2 integral of cos theta is nothing but sin theta plus c. Now again substituting back to what is that? Theta. Theta is nothing but what? A sine inverse x. So therefore substituting this cos theta as 1 minus sine squared theta, you are getting theta squared into sine theta, which implies again plus 2 theta. Cos theta can be written as 1 minus sine squared theta, again minus 2 sine theta plus c, right? Yes. Now substituting back to what is that? Theta. Theta is nothing but sine inverse of x. So sine inverse of x whole squared. Sine theta is nothing but x plus 2 theta is nothing but sine inverse of x into under the root 1 minus x squared minus 2 sine theta is nothing but x plus c. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it as dear students. I hope you understood this one also. Now we'll be moving on to the next problem. What they've asked, x into cos inverse of x divided by under the root of 1 minus x squared. Now here let me substitute cos inverse x is equal to theta. So if I substitute cos inverse of x is equals to theta, so x will be is equal to cos theta, right? Dx will be is equal to differentiating minus sin theta into d theta. Now what happens to this? If I substitute here x is equal to cos theta, 1 minus cos squared theta, which will become sin squared theta. So under the root of 1 minus x squared, which implies under the root of 1 minus cos squared theta, which implies that a sin theta, right? Because under the root you are going to have sin squared theta, root will get cancelled, sin theta only it is remaining. Understood? Now you can substitute that integral of x into cos inverse of x divided by under the root of 1 minus x squared into dx, which will become integral of x into cos inverse of x. X is nothing but cos theta into cos inverse of x is nothing but theta divided by under the root 1 minus x squared is nothing but you are going to have sin theta. Cos theta into d theta, which is nothing but x into cos inverse of x. Again under the root of 1 minus x squared, which will become sin theta. Again dx is nothing but what? Minus sin theta into d theta, right? Now here sin theta will get cancelled. You are going to remain with only minus under, because minus sign is there, theta into cos theta. Now which is the first function? This is the first function and this is the second function, right? Second function. Now you can have accordingly first function, minus sign is there, first function into integral of second function minus integral of d by d theta of first function into integral of second function into d theta again minus theta into integral of cos theta is sin theta minus d by d theta of theta is 1 into integral of cos theta is sin theta, right? Again further simplification it will be giving you, which implies, so what is that? Minus theta, isn't it? So minus theta into sin theta, again minus integral of sin theta is nothing but what? Which is minus cos theta, which will become cos theta plus c. Now, dear students, you can write theta is in terms of cos inverse of x. So, sin theta can be written as what? Minus theta into sin theta is under the root of 1 minus cos squared theta. Minus into plus is minus cos theta plus c. Now, substitute back to theta. Theta is nothing but what? Minus cos inverse of x into under the root of 1 minus cos theta is nothing but x squared, because cos squared theta is there, minus cos theta is nothing but x plus c. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it as for this question, dear students. I hope you understood this session, how to solve the problems on integral by parts by knowing the formula and also by knowing the rule. In the next session, we'll be moving on to some more solving the problems of this integral by parts, which will be a continuation of a 7.6 exercise of your NCERT textbook. So thank you, dear students. Keep watching. Have a nice day.